Hearing Services Program provides hearing health care to over 900,000 Australians every year, and they spend over $500 million on this program. So it's important that that money and that effort is spent wisely and to the best of its ability. Now, the specifications for hearing aids provided on this program had not been updated in over a decade. Yet innovation has been very fast in the hearing aid field, and hearing aids have developed to provide more benefit for people who have hearing needs. So it was important that the Hearing Services Program stay up to date to ensure that Australians get the best hearing help that they can get, given all of the hearing innovation that is available today.
So the way we approached redefining the minimum standards is to think about what those standards are there to do. So we moved away from a list of technical specifications and instead on thinking about what are the key features that help people stay connected and to fully participate in everyday life. And we did so in a way that focused on both retaining core technologies that people rely on, but also encouraging innovation and supporting manufacturers to innovate so that people can continually access updated technology over time.
So we had 4 key principles in mind when we approached this study. Firstly, recommendations needed to reflect features already widely available in modern hearing devices. Secondly, they needed to increase access to emerging technologies so clients could benefit from features such as connectivity as part of their fully subsidised care. Also, the approach had to encourage innovation, not stifle it. So manufacturers retained flexibility to develop and evolve their products and technology. So with these principles guiding the study, we conducted detailed analysis of hearing devices already supplied by the program, identifying features that were most commonly available. We then consulted extensively with manufacturers and the Australian Government Department of Health to ensure recommendations were practical, forward-thinking and achievable across the industry. And then finally, this led to a classification of hearing device categories and a set of recommendations designed not only for today, but tomorrow and the future.
The result of the project was basically an updated set of recommendations for the minimum specification of devices on the Hearing Services Program, as well as more sort of modern or more complex technologies like adaptive noise reduction, remote fitting, things like that. But we also didn't want to remove things like telecoil or manual remote controls, which are legacy technologies that a lot of people still rely on. One thing that was new was our recommendation for new categories like receiver in the canal devices and supported self-fitting devices. So self-fitting hearing aids, which currently aren't on the schedule at all, is now in our recommendation as well.
Well, this makes Australia a global leader in providing access to hearing technology, both because it gives people access to the latest technologies that are available today, but also by allowing it to evolve as technology advances around the world.
There's no bigger impact that we can have with our research than to improving the Hearing Services Program and ensuring that every Australian who seeks hearing help under the HSP gets the best hearing technology that they can, and they get the best benefit from the hearing services that is possible.